These are the seminars which EBTC, European Business and Technology Center, the European Patent Office, APDTC and CII are conducting for basically helping IP stakeholders to identify green and clean technologies. The program structure is basically illustrates how to search green technologies, where to find who are the owners of green technologies, how to do technical collaboration in these technologies, how to bring these technologies into India from Europe, okay, and subsequently any help required in doing technology transfer is provided by the European Business and Technology Center, okay, which is a program which is owned by the European Union and coordinated by Euro Chambers, okay, based in Brussels. The program basically would be conducted on 26th in Hyderabad, which is today, subsequently in Bangalore on 28th, and followed by in Kolkata on 30th. We also do individual trainings in public sectors and others. Okay, we collaborate with various Indian organizations, including NRDC, FICCI, CII, and other stuff, and many governmental organizations to bring and make people aware about the IP portfolios which are available in clean and green technologies. In addition, we use this platform for bringing European technologies into India. So let us understand what exactly would green technologies do. Okay, today when you are working, you basically do not reuse things. There are certain things which would be responsible for environmental degradation, like the amount of coal which we are burning today, okay, results in lot of fly ash, okay, which has to be dumped into pits and covered up, and these disposal means are not very good. So one way is to basically help in disposing this or reusing these particular aspects. The other aspect is to basically go on to the renewable energy part, like solar energy, wave energy, okay, hybrid energy, wind energy, and these energies are clean and green in terms that they don't create any wastage of resources in the environment, okay, and there are technologies available in Europe, okay, as I will show you in my presentations, which can be brought over. Okay, so these technologies would help you in identifying how to basically use these technologies, adapt them and adopt them in India. This campaign has already started. EBTC is a platform, as I told you, which basically works in this direction. Okay, it has been established with the help of European Union, which is funding the project and is coordinated by Euro Chambers. Okay, the project was operational in 2008. We have been working with various IP stakeholders and other governmental organizations in bringing green and clean technologies into India. Okay, this is a part which is basically addressed to management of IPR. Okay, because we find most of the green technologies in the Y classification of EPO. Okay, so this is one aspect. Otherwise, EBTC is doing many efforts in basically bringing green and clean technologies into India and help in EU-India collaboration.